Yeah, I'll place this into like the easiest format you can think about it, because advisors walk a very thin line between it, legal advice, tax advice versus planning and education. And here's an easy way I like to frame it up for advisors is the language I would recommend using when you're having conversations with clients around estate planning is could versus should, right? You could think about drafting a trust and it looks like this, and here's why that's important, and here's the benefits to you. But when you get into the you should, whether it be tax or estate, you want to make sure that the people saying you should are qualified attorneys, etc. So that's an easy way to navigate the language a little bit, because it does kind of ebb and flow between that line. But yeah, stay in the lane of you could, education, coordination, etc. And you'll be in a good spot to make sure you're positioning this the right way with your clients compliantly.